people all over the world the most delicious rice. Heating power is the key. Panasonic is the innovator in instant high heat that gives rice the ultimate in flavor and texture. In 1988, Panasonic developed the world's first induction heating rice cooker. It's all about rice, water, and heat control. Introducing the all-round IH Zenmen Hatsunetsu Umami Daki. The bottom, sides, and lid of the rice cooker all feature induction heating elements. All surface induction heating at 5 power levels instantly produces high heat. The diamond coating of the inner pan features 7 heat transmitting and storing layers. Testing has demonstrated the exceptional durability of the inner pan. The rice cooker uses high heat with an optimized control program for exceptional texture, luster, and sweetness. It's amazingly good, even after reheating. All for the most delicious rice. A Panasonic exclusive, the SR-HB4 series. Of course, it's made in Japan. Panasonic rice cookers continue to evolve.
Panasonic.
The Zojirushi Pressure Induction Heating Rice Cooker and Warmer is our top-of-the-line rice cooker that features unparalleled technology to deliver delicious rice with every use. Made in Japan, our flagship rice cooker is available in 2 sizes. Compared to a non-IH rice cooker, Zojirushi's superior IH technology optimally and consistently heats throughout the pot without overcooking and applies different levels of pressure, resulting in delicious and fluffy rice every time. Beyond IH, this rice cooker also features fuzzy logic technology with artificial intelligence, which adjusts the cooking cycle to get perfect results no matter the temperature of the water, the season you're cooking, or how long you've had the machine. The non-stick coating on the inner cooking pan is platinum infused, which alkalizes water and brings out the sweetness of rice. This machine has a variety of menu settings, including Zojirushi's exclusive umami, jasmine rice, healthy GABA brown rice, congee, and steel-cut oatmeal settings. Depending on the menu setting, the unit automatically selects from 3 pressure levels for the perfect texture for a variety of foods. The menu settings can be selected from an easy-to-read LCD control panel, which also features a clock and delay timer. Zojirushi's commitment to safe design is displayed throughout this device, as the rice cooker is equipped with multiple fail-safe measures to ensure safe pressure cooking, such as an inner lid filter, pressure control valve, pressure indicator on the control panel to ensure safe pressure cooking, and a large steam vent cap to prevent overflows while cooking. The detachable inner lid is made of stainless steel and is fully washable for easy cleaning. Accessories include a rice spatula, spatula holder, and 2 measuring cups. And as always, all surfaces that come into contact with food are BPA-free. Zojirushi, inspirations from everyday life. Zojirushi's new induction heating rice cooker and warmer is made in Japan and packed with convenient features. and comes in 2 sizes to effortlessly make up to 5.5 cups or 10 cups of delicious rice. Enjoy a flat-top design with an integrated control panel featuring an easy-to-read LCD display. The multi-menu cooking functions allow you to make various types of rice and other healthy options such as jasmine rice, congee, GABA brown rice, steel-cut oatmeal, quinoa, or even steam. No matter which dish you decide to make, the superior induction heating, or IH technology, works to generate high heat to offer fluffier rice and grains each and every time. It also features a clock and delay timer. The flat exterior and flat interior have minimal grooves to wipe clean, and the integrated steam vent reduces the number of parts to clean. The black thick spherical inner cooking pan distributes heat evenly and is double nonstick coated for easy cleaning, and the stainless steel inner lid is easy to detach and rinse. Plus, there's a convenient self-cleaning function that reduces odors from previous cooking. Zojirushi is committed to safe design, so the steam vent prevents messy overflows during the cooking process, and there are sensors to ensure the unit is set up properly. This cooker comes with a high-quality steaming tray, measuring cup, self-standing spatula, and as always, all surfaces that come into contact with food are BPA-free. Zojirushi, treasuring everyday life.
Who would think 4 simple buttons could do so much in the kitchen? All of Tiger's rice cookers have easy, one-touch settings for making perfect rice, but there's a lot going on under the hood. The JBV model has an onboard computer monitoring everything, so mealtime is carefree, fun, and delicious. No need to soak brown rice before cooking. Just give it a quick rinse. Your rice cooker will take care of the rest. Tiger's Ta-Cook system allows you to steam delicious dishes in the upper tray, while perfectly cooking plain rice below. This little machine can do so much. And the slow cook function acts like a crock pot, making pot roast night as easy as pressing a button. But trust us, it'll taste like you did a whole lot more. The JBV model comes with a cookbook packed with healthy and hearty recipes for you and your family to enjoy. Tiger packs iconic design into a small kitchen-friendly footprint. Eat well, eat rice. Tiger.
The Zojirushi Induction Heating System Rice Cooker and Warmer is one of our best-selling rice cookers and cooks perfect rice each and every time. Made in Japan, this rice cooker comes in 2 convenient sizes and features a stylish stainless dark gray exterior that fits any kitchen decor. The black, thick spherical inner cooking pan distributes heat evenly and is nonstick coated for easy cleaning. This machine features superior induction heating technology, or IH, which efficiently provides high heat by creating a magnetic field within the machine to heat the inner cooking pan. In addition, the triple heaters on the bottom, side, and lid carefully control heat to cook various types of rice evenly every time. The menu settings include white rice in regular, softer, or harder textures, quick cooking, mixed rice, jasmine white rice, sushi rice, porridge, and sweet rice, as well as healthy cooking options like brown rice and GABA brown rice. The GABA brown rice setting pre-soaks brown rice to activate it before cooking to increase its nutritional value. This machine also features a clock and delay timer, which allow you to program when you'd like the rice to be ready, as well as an automatic keep warm and extended keep warm to keep your rice warm at the right temperature. All of these settings are accessed on the easy-to-read orange backlit LCD panel. The inner lid is made of stainless steel and is detachable and washable. Accessories include a rice spatula, spatula holder, and a measuring cup. Zojirushi, inspirations from everyday life. The Neuro Fuzzy Rice Cooker and Warmer is one of Zojirushi's best-selling rice cookers and is the perfect addition to any kitchen. The rice cooker is available in a 5.5 or 10 cup size. Both sizes include advanced features to cook delicious rice and a variety of healthy grains with no stress. The Neuro fuzzy microcomputer allows the rice cooker to think for itself. It makes fine adjustments to cooking time and temperature according to the type of grain and its amount to ensure it is cooked perfectly every time. To prepare rice, open the rice cooker and remove the inner cooking pan. Measure the amount of rice you want to cook with the included measuring cup, leveling off each cup. Use the clear cup for white, brown, semi-brown, and sweet rice. Use the green cup for rinse-free rice. Both cups are slightly smaller than a standard US measuring cup. Pour water and gently wash the rice in the scratch-resistant, rinse-okay, non-stick inner cooking pan. Drain and repeat this process until the water runs clear. Fill the pan with water up to the line that matches the amount of rice you're cooking. The high-contrast water-level lines have been enhanced for visibility, making it easy for you to fill to your mark. In this case, we are cooking 4 cups of white rice. Place the inner cooking pan back into the rice cooker and close the lid. Select the type of rice to be cooked. You can select from regular or sushi white rice, softer white rice, harder white rice, quick cooking, mixed rice, porridge, sweet rice, semi-brown rice, or brown rice from the easy-to-read LCD control panel. For rinse-free rice, press the Pre-Washed button before making your menu selection. Press the Cooking button and let the rice cooker do its job. The triple heaters inside the rice cooker heat the rice from the bottom, sides, and the top, cooking the rice evenly. This machine also features a clock and delay timer function with 2 programmable memory settings. Set the timer up to 13 hours in the future for rice that's ready when you want it. Once the rice is cooked, the rice cooker automatically switches to Keep Warm mode. The cooked rice can be kept warm for up to 12 hours. The Neuro Fuzzy Rice Cooker and Warmer also features an extended Keep Warm mode, which keeps the rice warm at a lower temperature for an additional 8 hours. The reheat cycle quickly brings rice back to serving temperature. The Stay Cool side handles on the inner cooking pan allows for quick and easy transporting of hot, delicious rice. The detachable inner lid and the inner cooking pan are fully washable, and the exterior can be wiped down for easy cleaning. Plus, the retractable power cord and sturdy handle make this machine easy to transport and store. Accessories include a rice spatula, spatula holder, a regular rice measuring cup, and a rinse-free rice measuring cup. The Zojirushi Neuro Fuzzy Rice Cooker and Warmer is made in Japan with an eye towards superior technology, design, and performance. Zojirushi, inspirations from everyday life.